Let's reserve some gear for our production. You can follow the link from your production approval email or log into RueShare and go to your production page and click Edit. There's a production sub-menu near the top of the page. Select the Reservations tab. Click Add Reservation. Pick a day and time to begin your reservation. Pick a day and time to end your reservation. If you need to reserve more than 4 hours for your production, then talk to a staff member first. Assign the reservation to yourself. You can page through the equipment list or use the search field to find exactly what you want. Select the Items checkbox and click Request. To reserve space at our facility, click the Facilities tab. This is where you'll reserve studio space and edit stations. When you're done placing all of your reservations, click OK. You'll see your list of reservations under the Reservations tab on your production page. You can repeat this process. You can delete reservations. You can duplicate existing reservations. It's easy. You'll receive an email receipt for the reservation and a confirmation letter once your reservation is approved by an administrator. If there's a problem, then you'll be notified by email.